ऐसे हो हमारे करम, ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे।
I study pre-nursery class. The best of be happy. Thank you.
As on my study class, I am going to present the poem Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and the merry soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his pound, and he called for his literacy. Thank you. The golden door of freedom. I repeat my thought. Education is the key to unlock golden door of freedom. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, today's Bible thought is the biggest source of the motivation are your own thoughts. So think big and motivate yourself to win. Meaning of the Bible thought is goals give you a direction of the focus. One that measurable and have an on end point. Thank you.
That is Surah Al-Fatiha. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-rahmanir rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghayril maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. The meaning of the ayat is: in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Praise to be Allah, the Lord of all worlds, the most gracious, Master of the Day of Judgment. Thank you and have a nice day.
सर्वभवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वसन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वभद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वभवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वसन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वभद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है सभी लोग सुखी रहे, सभी स्वस्थ रहे, सभी को भलाई मिले, किसी को भी दुख न आए।
The name of the which Indian state means the land of the hill people? Wrong answer. The answer is Mizoram. 6. It is the important holy city for both Hindus and Buddhists. It is believed to be around 3000 years old. Right answer. Thank you and have a nice day.
I, Aradhya of Class 6, here to deliver a speech on gender equality. In this generation, judgment, inequality and discrimination ruin the rights of LGBT community. By lowering their pride and dignity, gender equality is all about the discrimination between a gender over the other gender. It is because of a narrow-minded mentality of individuals. This country needs gender equality, where men and women both enjoy the same opportunities, laws and rights. This is required for the sustainable development of yet to be required to develop by the country of ours. We must remember that male and female both are humans. As it was said by Nelson Mandela, freedom cannot be achieved unless women have been emancipated from all forms of oppression. The more I have realized that fighting for women's rights has too often become mutilation with man-hating. If there is one thing I know for certain, it needs to be stopped. Men of quality respect women's equality. Thank you for connecting with me.
Sectors like finance, astronomy, gaming, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, entertainment, data security and robotics. The latest sector is virtual assistant and chatbots like Gemini, ChatGPT. They are the assistants. They act as digital helpers on social media. They are available 24/7 and they can do quickly respond more than their person. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Anya Khan. Today's topic for the moral story is power of respect. The quotation for the topic is: respect is the most important element of your personality. It is like an investment. Whenever you give to others, it will return you with profits. Now let's start the story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl, Emma, who lived in a small town. Emma firmly believed in the idea of treating others with respect. To earn their respect, she treated everyone with kindness and respect. no matter their class and age. One day, Emma encountered a grumpy old neighbor who was always mean and rude to others. Instead of taking